Cooking Appa.
Papa is going to fry some fish today. First of all, make sure the oil is smoking hot, yeah? And then you wipe dry the fish before you put in the fish so that it doesn't splatter as much. I have 2 pieces of wild barramundi fish today. So let's fry the first side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes before we flip it over to the other side. This is after about 2 minutes plus. We can carefully move it. Look at the beautiful golden brown we are getting. So I'll give the other side also another 2 to 3 minutes, then it is basically done. That's how simple it is to fry a fish at home. First of all, make sure the oil is smoking hot before you put in the fish. Then don't keep flipping the fish. This is after another 2.5 minutes. One last flip. So basically I only flip twice. Appa has a tendency to over fry my fish a little bit because I always prefer it more char. So it's really up to you, yeah? So it's basically done. Now I can actually take it off from the pan here. I can tell you that this fish skin now is super crispy. So you rest the fish on a oil absorbing paper or a kitchen towel. So I have some fried garlic oil here with some premium light soy sauce as the dipping sauce. So here we are. Here's my very simple fried fish today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. The skin here is as crispy as a keropok. Very crispy. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.